My name is Romero Galario, and if you're new in this channel, I post thermal processing videos, product reviews, travel videos, and some other stuff. But with this specific videos, I'm gonna make a review about Bissell Pet Pro vacuum. It's gonna be on a playlist of our journey of moving here in Los Banos, California. So if you're ready for this, please stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's time to unbox this vacuum and see what's inside. There you go, all those attachments right there. We're just gonna set it aside for now so we can pull out the vacuum. Here you go, that's the body of the vacuum. Alright, very nice. Seems a little heavy, especially maybe with the water in it. And that's the handle right there. Should be easy to snap on. Just listen for the click and you should be good to go. Alright, now that's the holder for the cords. There you go. And there's a screw. You actually have to screw it, but you need a screwdriver to do that. And that's the water for cleaning. That's where you mix the solution. I think it's about 1 gallon. There you go. Hold the cords, and that cord is pretty long, so it's pretty good when you're working to a big room. There you go. That's our little helper.
Wow, this.
And then now this is some sort of the garage for the vacuum.
Okay,
so it would collect the water that might be dripping from the vacuum. And here are some accessories. It's a picture. There you go. These are the attachments heads for cleaning. This specific one is for the stairs. There you go. And that one is for like couch or car seats. There you go. And there you go. That's the one for the stairs. And that garage actually has a little holder on the sides where you can set the attachments. No, not that, baby. Not that. No. There you go.
Adriel, no. Water.
Alright, now let's try to see if it's gonna work. Alright, boom. It fits right in. There you go. Okay. Alright guys, so it's time to put this bad boy in use. So it comes with two solutions right there, your eliminator and antibacterial one. So we're not gonna use this one, but we'll use the pet stain and odor plus antibacterial. Alright, so we're gonna put some water in this container. There you go, up to the water line, and there you go for the formula. Alright, as you guys can see, the formula is mixing with the water. There you go. Don't forget a cap. And put it back. There you go. And now we're ready. Alright, let's go. Power on right there. And that's if you want to have it wet. And what kind of how soiled is the carpet. It's our first time, so we're gonna go on max, but after this we're probably gonna go just express. go. It's a little heavy because it's 1 gallon of water, but it's gonna go slide up and down, so it should be that hard. And after vacuuming the carpet, it's gonna be a while before it's gonna be dry, all dry. I think it's gonna be like 30 minutes to maybe an hour, just to be safe. All right, now we're done with vacuuming. Here you go. That's the dirty water. And one room actually, I was able to use 1 gallon with a solution per room. So I guess I'm gonna have to do a multiple trip, or maybe because I was just using a lot of water, I wasn't spraying too much. That could be it too. There you go. That's how to dispose the dirty water and remove the bottom part. It's actually really easy to clean. You just run it through the faucet. There you go. Unless I guess it's really dirty, then you might have to use the tools that comes with it. But for me, it was just pretty easy, so I'm just gonna rinse it through running water. There you go. You just put it back right there. Don't forget to lock it up and then close it. Boom. All right. Now we are ready for the next one. Okay, now so we're gonna use this hose because we're gonna be doing the seats of the car that I have been neglecting for a while now. Look at those. Those are baby milks that's been there for maybe weeks or months. There you go. See, those are the choco drink. All right, that's it. That's the aftermath. I had to do it multiple times, and the sprayer, actually you have to prime it. At first I thought it was broken because no water coming out, but I guess it was just priming it, to for the water to fill the line. So it took me a while. There you go. And I had some problem too, that the vacuum was not, I thought it was not working, but since I had it on a flat surface, on a cardboard, so it was not sucking enough air. So I had to replace the vacuum so it could suck some air. Now we'll go to the next seat. There you go. So I guess for the stain like this, you just have to soak it up a little bit, a few minutes maybe. There you go. And just vacuum slowly. Take your time. Alright, maybe you have to go multiple times. It's not the perfect machine, but it does the work. There you go. You guys can see that action, right? There you go. So you can really tell that it's working, but like for this type of stain that's been there for so long, I guess it's kind of hard to take it off in one try. Now we're gonna do the cleaning. You can just pop those cover off, and then those two you have to press them together and then lift it up. There you go. Some hair should get stuck there, but with this there's none. There you go. I'm just gonna rinse it up. Alright, just a quick rinse. Should be easy. There you go. And later on I'm gonna show you guys how to clean that hose too, after I clean this other stuff. Alright, just rinse them up. Some stuff can get stuck, but I guess as long as you clean them as soon as you use them, it shouldn't be a problem. Now this one, that's what I showed you earlier. There you go. Everything is just easy. But I mean, compared to other vacuums, I think this type of vacuum has a lot of work because there's a lot of parts that need to be assembled. But it's very convenient for the user, for the machine to last longer, or to keep it clean. There you go. Just take those cover off, rinse it off, then another rinse. That should do the job. Some hair might get stuck, but it should be easy to take off. Alright, and then that bottom container too. You gotta rinse that up. There you go. Now the hose was really dirty. Collected so much dust. So I'm just gonna rinse it up with water and let it dry, air dry. Alright, so I'm just gonna let everything dry, air dry, before putting it back together and then locking it up for the next use. Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked that video, and if you have more questions, please comment down below. And if you like more of these videos, or if you want to support the channel, please let us know by subscribing on our channel. Click that notification bell to keep you updated on our future uploads. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the